Hello class, I'm excited to introduce you to NECTIR AI, an AI assistant that we have created to be your 24/7 study buddy, ready to help you with any question you have about our course. I know that sometimes you feel stuck on assignment or need clarification outside the class hours or happy hours, office hours, and that's where the NECTIR AI comes in to provide immediate support and guidance. I have trained assistants to know everything about our course, including the assignment, textbooks, lab, quizzes, so it can give you the more targeted responses and help you achieve grades, better grades, and a deeper understanding of the material. Let's take a moment to watch a brief video that introduces the NECTIR AI and highlights its key features. This will give you a sense of how it can support you in your learning experience.
Meet Mr. Thompson, a dedicated teacher facing a familiar challenge. Too many essays to grade, not enough time for feedback, and an email inbox full of questions. How can he ensure that every student receives the help they need? Enter NECTIR AI, a revolutionary and intuitive platform where Mr. Thompson can create a custom AI assistant for his class in minutes. In his writing course, many of his students struggle to write their essays. He decides to create a writing coach assistant to help. With just a few clicks, Mr. Thompson can control how his assistant interacts with his students and enable it to provide actionable feedback on their essays. He now has a safe and convenient way to integrate AI into his classroom, right from the LMS. Sarah, a student of Mr. Thompson, is unsure how to tackle her essay. Normally, she would be too afraid to ask for help, but with her new writing coach assistant, she has a safe space to voice her questions. Together, they can break down the assignment step by step, and the writing coach helps Sarah analyze how her arguments align with her thesis statement. Now equipped with actionable feedback, Sarah refines her essay and submits it on time. NECTIR AI empowers educators and learners to leverage AI technology to create a truly personalized learning experience. Welcome to the classroom of the future.
After just one term of using NECTIR AI, Los Angeles Pacific University saw a remarkable 20% increase in GPAs, a 13% rise in average final score, a 36% boost in motivation, and a 13% improvement in self-efficacy among the students. Now, the cool thing is that now you all get access to your own AI tutor too. So take advantage of it, explore its capabilities, play with it, and see how it can elevate your learning experience. So let's explore how our course assistant can support you throughout the semester. This tool is designed to be a comprehensive resource tailored to your needs. First of all, instant feedback. NECTIR AI provides personalized feedback and guidance on your assignment and coursework, helping you understand and improve your work. 24/7 availability. Whether you're studying late at night or early in the morning, the assistant is available whenever and wherever you need. Understanding your needs. It offers individualized accommodation and support, ensuring that your specific learning requirements are met. Research assistant can help you find and synthesize the latest research relevant to your field, making your study process more efficient. Confidence building. By taking control of your learning, you can build confidence and realize your own potential. Language support. It provides translation, grammar help, exercises for language learning, making it a versatile tool for everyone. Study guides. The assistant designed comprehensive practice and study guide to prepare you for the upcoming assessment. Interactive learning. It elevates your learning experience with interactive, dynamic conversation that keep you engaged. These features are all about supporting you in your learning journey, helping you succeed in this course and beyond. Feel free to explore and make the most of what the assistant offers. So I want to show you how this works. So we're going to go to ai.nectir.io and we're going to log in. Please log in using the email that you use on set. So if I go here, no, I use my Gmail account, so I want to sign in with my Gmail. So when you log in, this is what you see. So you can start conversation with the learning assistant. For instance, I need help with my lab assignments. So the AI tutor give you feedback with your. So I'm using this example from a statistic. For all the other classes, you have your own course assistant. Could you let me know what a specific topic? So let's choose one of the. So this. So let's say we need help. So what you do, you copy paste this, for instance. So what it does, because I already programmed it in, the moment you give it the lab description, first it guides you through on how to use AutoStat or Python or R in answering the question. So the three technologies we use for this particular statistic course, the students get to choose the AutoStat, they can choose the Python programming on Google Colab, or they can use R programming on Posi.cloud. So here, it kind of takes you through on how to create this, the first histogram. So for instance, here it talks about the Python example, it talks about R, then it creates a second histogram, but then it's missing the AutoStat. So I tell it, show me how to do this AutoStat. And then it takes you through a step. So please play with it. And if I need to update anything, train you a little bit more, give you more examples, let me know. Your feedback is very important in this process, right? All right, let's look at, let's go over some other examples of how NECTIR AI can be used. So here is sample conversation to show how the AI assistant can guide you through problems step by step. We provide personalized guidance at your level, breaking down complex problems into manageable parts. So here I don't understand how to solve integral with complex numbers at all. Where should I start? So it breaks it into a step by step. In the second example, that's too much, I need help. So it breaks it to you and it's too much. So again, it unpacks it a little bit further down to more underlying topics. So as you can see, the assistant helps you tackle each problem, ensuring you understand the process and build your skills effectively. It's like having a tutor by your side, ready to help you whenever you need. So that example was for calculus AB. This is a chemistry example. So let's look at the AI assistant with this problem. So the assistant can assess your clear understanding. But can you help me review for the midterm by giving me practice problems to try? So I give this person an example. I'm college students. I want to understand alkanes, nomenclatures. So he talks about that process. Here is the chemistry practice problem. We'll give you practice problems to work on. Another example. AP, what topics do I need to review for the unit 4 exam? And where do you find it on our canvas? If you go to the syllabus page, under the course material, you see free access to NECTIR AI. Now, the moment you log in, this is what you see on the NECTIR AI. So you see, so let's review some of this feature. Make sure you know how to use NECTIR to enhance your learning experience. So the conversation started. So I created this to help you begin engaging with our assistant. They are designed to guide you in exploring topics and getting most out of your interactions. Assistant description. The assistant description is where you learn what the assistant can do and how it can support your studies. It is tailored to our course, so you know exactly how it can help you. Chat history. You can revisit your chat history and continue where you left off. Only you have access to your messages, but you can export them If you want to share or rename them to bookmark important conversations, you can share them with me or upload them on Canvas. New chat. If you ever want to start fresh, simply click on new chat, as you can see, and begin the new conversation. This allows you to explore different topics and questions without any previous context. Image upload. You can also upload images as part of your message, make it easier to discuss visual content and clarify complex ideas. And these features altogether are designed to make your learning more interactive and personalized. So what question do you have about these features? Go ahead, log in and ask AI. So let's try having a conversation with your AI assistant. So let's get hands-on with your new learning assistant. So the assistant is designed with your course material to support your learning. So let's start by asking this question. I want you to pause the video, go on NECTIR AI and ask the question. For instance, you want to ask about concept, so you can tell it dive into the subject with a specific concept question. So what would you ask? Can you explain the main causes of American Revolution? Another example, you want request example, you want to enhance your understanding. You ask the question, can you provide me an example of a metaphor in literature? Clarify doubts, clear up any confusion and with clarification questions. What is the difference between mitosis and meiosis? You can ask the AI to explain for you. And step 4, explore the application. Discover real-world application of what you're learning. For instance, how is calculus used in this lesson? Fascinating examples. Get advice on effective study strategy. You can ask AI assistant, what are some tips for memorizing polyatomic ions? Or you can ask the question, challenge yourself with practice problem. Can you quiz me on key formula from this unit? If you are facing problem with NECTIR AI, please get in touch with support.nectir.io, and they're available very much 24/7, almost 24/7, to respond to your questions. And if you have any other question, please come to office hours, happy hours, or shoot me an email.